Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making one of our family favorite recipe, that's sweet corn chicken soup. This is really easy to make and it is a wholesome meal even if you want to serve it for dinner along with some grilled chicken or even salad. So I've used about 1.5 sweet corn for this. I boiled it and then I just cut off the kernels, and we are going to keep some for to add it as whole kernels, and the rest of it we'll grind it to a fine paste along with some water, about half a cup of water. So this is been ground to a nice fine paste, and along with that I've used garlic, which is about 6. These are big cloves of garlic, so you add accordingly, and about 1.5 inch ginger piece and one green chili. So we'll really finely chop it, and then in a pan or a container in which you're going to make the soup, we'll add the ginger garlic and the green chili. I just used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we'll fry these ginger garlic and green chili, but you should not make them brown. I also shredded some chicken and I've kept it aside, boiled and shredded chicken. This is optional. You can even make it the veg version. Because it should not stick to the bottom, I'm adding the salt and pepper. You can add it to taste. It's about half a teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. We'll just fry it. You can see there's not much oil at all, and then we'll add in some grated carrot. I used one whole carrot and about half bell pepper. You can also add mushrooms or cabbage if you want. You can add whatever vegetables you want. So now we'll just fry it along with the vegetables for a minute. I'm just increasing the flame. This gives a really wonderful aroma with the garlic and the ginger and the chicken and the veggies. The house gets really fragrant while making this soup. Now we'll add in the corn kernels that we had kept aside. So this is a very healthy recipe that you can serve even for iftar in Ramadan. And along with this, I also have an oat and chicken shorba, chicken harira soup, lentil soup, manchow soup. I'll leave the links in the description box below. Now we'll add about 6 glasses of water, and this is again optional. I'm adding 2 chicken stock cubes, or you can add the fresh stock. If you've boiled the chicken, you can use that water and add it now, and also the sweet corn paste that we made. We'll add all of these things together and we'll bring it to a boil. This is as simple as that. We are almost reaching the end of the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and also share my videos. You can add about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and about 2 teaspoons of vinegar. I've added very less here. You can add up to 2 to 3 tablespoons, as long as the amount of sourness you want in the soup, you can taste and add it. So we have very less, so I just put about 2 teaspoons. Now this is optional. You can just drink this soup as it is. It is much thicker compared to the normal soups, but if in case you want a little bit of thickness, you can see it's a very thin slurry. So I just took 2 teaspoons of corn flour and mixed it well with water. So I didn't add too much of it because it's already naturally thick, because you've used sweet corn for this. So it's as simple as this. The sweet corn chicken soup is ready to be served. So do try this recipe. I am absolutely sure you'll love it. So you can just add some pepper and serve it. And do try this recipe and let me know in the comments.